most magicians let you pick a card. For this one, I just need you to name one.
9 of diamonds.
9 of diamonds. Now, most spectators, they can remember a card from the face. I need you to remember it from the back.
Okay.
Here, I'll make it a little easier for you. I'll make it stand out. Of course, now it's a lot easier for me to find the card. So with a little shake, we can change it back to normal. Of course, now if I find it, well, it's not that impressive. We know where it is, so let's just give it a little shake.
Morning, buddy. What's up?
I can't get the trick out of my head.
Look, come here. I want to show you something, all right? I want you to think about this. All right, come here. Come here.
Yeah. I can't explain it. It's just mind-blowing.
Well, I can't help you if you don't tell me anything about it.
Here. See this?
Yeah?
You get me this, and I'll teach you whatever you want.
So you want that? I want your hands. This is how we play the game.